at my home, slept at home last night, but the truck, I think, blew a head gasket. Gonna go meet up with Jeff again. We're gonna go down. We're gonna grab the pickup truck. We made it all but like 100 miles, which, yeah, not too bad. That's actually within towing distance, I suppose. But I happen to have a bunch of gaskets. I'm going to grab gaskets for the small block Chevy. I've got absolute disaster everywhere. Maybe I don't have all the gaskets I thought I did. I don't know. There's head gaskets in there anyways. You may not want to use these ones or whatever, but we'll see how it goes. It's up to him. His truck. We're getting the truck strapped up. Been making video. It's all strapped down. We're ready to go. Make sure this hood is. Oh, dang it. There we go. We're good. We're ready.
Is there a truck wash?
I don't think so.
It's okay. Let's go. That's not my house.
Okay. There we go. We got the truck. Well, we got blown head gaskets, so we're going after head gaskets. Change these head gaskets out. The exhaust is cracked. We gotta LS swap it, man.
Might as well.
All right, Jeff, I brought something. Open the back of the van.
Is there a hot cream shake?
No.
What is this? Oh, this is sexy.
That's the 305. That's the 305. It's ready to go.
You want to put that in?
Why not? It's ready to go. It's got the hot cam and everything in it. Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to, let's do it. Yeah,
we can put that 350 on this and then bam. Is it coming off?
Not
Ooh,
bad, huh?
not bad. It's all coming off.
Yeah, if we go down to the car wash, it's a lot easier because they
Yeah.
said they're spray this and power wash it, but I need two people because I need.
We gotta scrub and we gotta wash.
Yeah, you gotta have somebody on the hose.
Yep.
So if we go down there real quick, we can be done in 10 minutes.
This has been ready to go for like 4 years, just sitting there. A little dirty, but
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
it's good cam gear,
Nice.
good distributor gear. This has a Performer RPM manifold on it.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. How did you get it? Oh, you got it.
I used the engine hoist.
Okay, well, I got one in the back of the truck, so.
Yeah,
Let's just go finish washing this real quick.
right on.
And then, this is just from soaking it, from not doing anything. That's it's almost done.
Dang, it's coming off.
Yeah.
Today we're doing a parking lot engine swap. Of course, we're only like a mile from Jeff's house, but so we got the truck. We actually scrubbed on it pretty good this morning at the car wash just a little while ago. We're gonna pull the 350 out. This 305 that's been sitting in my hangar for forever, that's been ready to go for like 4 years. We're gonna just slap that in there because it's ready to go and see what happens. We got to break the cam in on this one because the cam isn't broken in. It's brand new, everything. Because one thing we found last night when we pulled the distributor out was the distributor gear was all ate to crap. So we're just going to throw the 305 in it. It's got a really hot cam and some Rhodes lifters, so we're going to throw that in on the pickup truck over here. drive shaft kind of up in place. The rear suspension's at full extension. We got to get some bolts to bolt up the drive shaft to the 8.8, but the yoke should slide in further when it's at ride height. We got the transmission cross member mounted. We put riv nuts in there, drill holes, put riv nuts in the frame, and then mounted it up so the transmission is mounted. We got plenty of space up here for the oil pan. We got it ground down to weld on the motor mounts on both sides. The motor mount plates, they're cut and trimmed and ready to be welded on, and then motor is centered and leveled, so everything should be good. Man, I'll tell you, this mock-up block and mock-up transmission make things a whole lot easier. Anyhow, we can get out of here, go put a 305 in the 68 Chevy C10. I haven't been recording lately, which I should be recording, so I'm starting to record again. I need to get to editing, I need to do a bunch of stuff, but I've been so stinking busy. The 305 in it, we got a bunch of stuff ordered for the interior. We got to do the wood in the bed, and then it's listed for sale right now on the Facebook Marketplace. So I have Obi-Wan down here, and I've been working on pulling the bed off. So I just got it jump started, fired up. I got to put air in the tire, and I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to drive Obi-Wan out from under his work box in preparation to actually get this done, to put on CC, put CC and Obi-Wan's box on Van Dam. We're okay. That wire's not important. This is a T-splice into... I might could fix that actually. Maybe. Who knows? They welded on the top both of these brackets, and they welded on the front of them, and they welded on the back of them, and I couldn't get to the top underneath the bed, so that is kind of precarious, but it worked. Jeff and I were working on Obi-Wan here yesterday. Got the bed off. We got this bed set up next to it, and it's like, oh crap, it doesn't fit. So we got the brackets cut off from the tool bed, so we can put on the regular bed and stuff. So anyhow, we ended up driving all the way down to Rocky Ford and buying a long bed. So we got the long bed up there by Van Dam, the S10 and CC. So I think I'm just gonna roll this, I think I'm just gonna drive Obi-Wan up there next to it. We did get a window replaced, put in we got to put in Obi-Wan here. We still got to do the we still got to almost dropped my drink. We still got to replace the door hinge pins because they're really bad. Obi-Wan here. We gotten so many vehicles, and I was trying to talk to Jeff, and you know, so we talk about what we're gonna do with each one or whatever. And what ended up happening was Jeff was like, I can't keep these all straight, man. You've got to name them so I know which one you're talking about or whatever, right? So anyhow, so I named all the vehicles. So because this one is an OBS Chevy and it had the work bed on it, I named it Obi-Wan, like, you know, the Mexican worker or whatever, a Hispanic worker, whatever you want to say. Oh. And then of course Webster, I named Webster because of all the spider webs and everything when we got it in North Carolina. CC, the 64 Chevy up there, the C30, we named it CC because we picked it up in Canyon City. I haven't named the S10, I just call it the S10. And then the 2500 van that we got, that's like my 1-ton van, it's so rusted because it's from Missouri or something. But it's so rusted out and it's so beat up and nasty. I call it Van Dam. You know, you got to have the emphasis in there because it's like you look at the van, you're like, damn, you know. But Obi-Wan here is a 2500. It's got the 5.7 Vortec with the 4L80E, and it runs really good actually. Stereo works, you know.
Need flavor.
Yeah. So we got some new tail lights to put in the bed. We got another door handle for that door over there. I mean, it's kind of crappy. It's got a big hole in the seat over here and stuff like that, but you know, the hinge pins need replaced and stuff, but it's only a 2-wheel drive, you know. It's but it's not a bad running truck. We didn't pay much for it. Put some gas in it, drove it home, you know. It's like, it's not bad. See this one over here. Oh no, my energy drink spilling. Crap. So CC is a 64 C30. So the plan is to take the cab from CC and put it on the chassis of Van Dam. And then we're going to take the work bed from Obi-Wan here. We're going to put it on the van chassis with CC. And then maybe I'm going to have to call it, I may have to rename it at that point. So I was thinking, I don't know. What should I name it? Maybe I'll call it C130. Maybe. Call it C130. It might work. But anyway, so here's the bed that we picked up. We picked up a long bed for $100 to put back here on Obi-Wan. Oh, come on. You can do this. I'll just gas the crap out of it. Yeah, we'll just park Obi-Wan here close enough, maybe just lift the bed off the trailer and over, that might work. So yeah, we got to lube up this door and stuff too, fix this latch, because you gotta like manually push it, but then because of the hinge pin, you got to lift the door up in order to get it to close right. So but anyhow, yeah, so it's a 2500, no weight on the back. It doesn't want to get any traction. Jeez. So here's the bed that we got. Oh boy. Well, so much for the Zatarans box. It was supposed to protect the paint a little bit. Ugh, dang it. Oh well. It's $100, right? Yeah. So we got a long bed. We'll probably just hit that with the rubber wheel and get that off. Oh man, chewed that up too. Jeff drives like a maniac.